This Barilla red lentil penne pasta with chorizo, Swiss chard, pine nuts, and a zesty sofrito sauce is a great match for the natural flavor of the pasta. A little bit of chorizo really ups the appeal, but if you leave it out, this dish is naturally vegan. Let's get started. First, we'll prepare our pasta with a traditional double cook method. Bring a large pot of water to a boil and add a handful of salt, about a tablespoon per pound of pasta. I'm using Barilla red lentil penne pasta, which is a single ingredient product made just with non-GMO red lentil flour, so it's a very clean label. Add the pasta and cook for 4 minutes or until the pasta is cooked halfway. Drain the pasta, drizzle with a bit of oil, cool on a sheet tray, and set aside or refrigerate. Then we will start making the sofrito. Heat olive oil in a deep sauce pot over a medium-high flame. Add the onions and reduce the heat to low. Braise the onion very slowly with the pot covered, stirring often. The onions will turn translucent, then golden. This should take about 30 minutes. When the onions are golden, add the tomatoes and their juices and gently simmer, uncovered, for about 60 to 75 minutes until nicely thickened. Now we'll make the pasta sauce. Heat a sautoir over medium heat. Add the oil and chorizo and cook for a couple of minutes. Reduce the heat to low and add the garlic and cook until the garlic is translucent. Next, add the pimenton and sofrito. Bring to a low simmer and cook for 5 more minutes. Stir in the chard. Add the par-cooked pasta to the sauce. Add approximately 1/4 cup of pasta water or stock to adjust the consistency. Season with salt and pepper and let the pasta simmer in the sauce until the pasta is al dente, about 1 or 2 minutes. For the garnish, heat a sauté pan with oil and add pine nuts and currants over low heat. The crunch from the nuts is a great pairing with the lentil pasta. Cook until the currants puff up and the pine nuts are toasted. Stir in the parsley and season with salt and pepper. To serve, place about a cup of the pasta in a bowl and top with a spoonful of the garnish. With pasta providing a comfort food base, the nutty, crunchy pine nuts, pop of sweet currants, and salty, savory chorizo give this dish lots of flavor appeal. It also shows how using a small amount of animal protein can maximize flavor and still keep a plant-forward profile.